Installing and activating a HOLASIM eSIM on your iPhone is really simple. Remember, install your eSIM few hours before your trip and only activate it once you arrive at your destination. Once you complete your purchase on our website, we'll send you an email with everything you need to complete the process. Now, let's get started. Grab your phone. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your iPhone is running iOS 17.4 or later, you can install your eSIM even faster. Just tap the Install eSIM button directly in the email we sent you. No need to scan a QR code or enter details manually. If you're not sure, or if your iPhone doesn't support iOS 17.4, just follow the step-by-step instructions below. It only takes a few minutes. Go to Settings, then Cellular, and tap Add eSIM. Choose Use QR code. Here you have two options: install with a QR code or install manually. To install with a QR code, open the code we sent you by email, either on another device or printed. Hold the QR code in front of the camera inside the box shown on screen and wait a few seconds while your new mobile plan is identified. If you don't have the QR code on another device or printed, you can install it manually. On the same screen, select Enter Details manually, then copy and paste the codes we sent you into the corresponding fields. The system will recognize that your HOLASIM plan is ready to be installed. Now select the label with your new plan and tap Continue. You can rename this line. We recommend naming it HOLASIM plus your destination. Select your primary line as default and tap Continue again. Then select your primary line for iMessage and FaceTime and tap Continue. Now choose HOLASIM as your cellular data option. It's really important to disable the Allow Mobile Data Switching option. This helps avoid unexpected roaming charges. Finally, tap Continue. Congrats! Your eSIM is now successfully installed. Already arrived at your destination? Then it's time to activate your eSIM. Go back to Settings, then Cellular. Select your HOLASIM eSIM, activate this line, and turn on data roaming. Go back to Cellular and make sure HOLASIM is selected as the default line for cellular data. If your plan includes calls, go to Default Voice Line and select HOLASIM as your default line to make and receive calls. And that's it. Your HOLASIM eSIM is now active. Welcome back to the world. You're now connected. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. Hola World. HOLASIM.